Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at basics of HTML and some practical examples. By the end of this video, you'll be able to write simple programs in HTML. So let's get started. So before going into the topic, we'll see where this HTML is actually used for. To illustrate this, we'll take an example of a movie booking website. When you visit a movie booking website, what you see and interact is called the user interface or the front end. So here we can see the name of the movie, time and the tickets. So this makes the interaction between the user and the server much more easier. For instance, I have to book tickets. So I will be booking which are available ones, so which are in gray color. After booking them, the information is sent to the server. And the server checks if the required seats are available. If they are available, it sends the response to the user interface and I will be proceeding with my payments. So this is how the web application works. Now seeing this example, it makes much more easier to understand the web architecture. So the web architecture consists of front end and a back end. So the front end collects the data from the user. So the front end is what the user interacts or sees. So here we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript for designing the front end. So this front end requests the back end. The back end consists of the data. So we have PHP, Python and Java. These are the server-side scripting languages. Using these languages, we retrieve the data from the web server, the required data actually. So after this is sent as a response to the front end and this displays the results to the user. So now going into the topic, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, but it is a language used to create web pages. Let's quickly see the structure. So the structure of HTML, it starts with the opening head tag HTML and the closing tag HTML. It consists of two sections, the head section and the body section. Head section starts with the opening head tag and closes with the closing head tag. Same goes to the body as well. So I have been saying the tags, HTML tag, closing HTML tag. So what are tags? It is a piece of markup language which is used to indicate the beginning and the ending of a HTML element. So these are enclosed in an angular brackets. So knowing this, we will quickly see example to understand the structure of HTML. So it is better if we have Notepad++ to write the program. So save the file with .html extension. So here I'll be saving the file as practice.html. So now let's start writing the program. We have seen already in the structure, the program starts with the opening HTML tag and we have two sections, the head section and the body section. So we are writing the head section now. In the head section, I'm using the title tag. In the title tag, I have written HTML and make sure that you close every tag that you open here. So I have closed the title tag as well as the head tag. So now going into the body section, I'm here using the paragraph tag. This paragraph tag always starts on the new line and the browser automatically adds the white space before and after the paragraph. So here I'm typing this is a basic HTML program and closing the paragraph tag. So now let's see what the output looks like. So make sure you save the program and now open it in the web browser. So here I'm using Microsoft Edge. Now you can see this is a basic HTML program is shown on the screen. So where we have used the paragraph tag, you can see that is shown. And you might be wondering where the title tag is used. So the title is used over the top. You can see the title over there. Now let's understand what attribute is. An attribute in HTML provides the extra information about the element. Here it is used in the tag. So for the example, you can see in the paragraph tag, I'm giving it style. So the color, I want it to be in red. So I have specified that it is red. So here, hi will be printed in red color. Now going into the element, it is everything which is written within the tags as well as tags. So here the paragraph tag, this is a paragraph and the closing paragraph tag, everything is element. So here I'm taking an example of anchor tag. Here I'm using href, this is a reference. So the href here will be the attribute, the anchor tag will be the tag and everything together is the element. Now let's understand this by writing a program. So here in the paragraph tag, I'm giving the style Here in the style I'm giving the color to be green. So the green here is the attribute. So you can see that this is a basic HTML program is now in the green color. Now let's see few of the basic tags. Here heading tag. So there are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important and H6 is the least. And the paragraph tag. We have already seen this. The paragraph tag defines a paragraph and the spaces are automatically given, and we have a break tag. Here when we use the break tag, it creates a line break. Now going into the anchor tag. The anchor tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. Here we use href attribute which indicates the link's destination. So in href we'll give the link of the required destination we want. So we'll see the example to understand it more. So in this example I'll be using the heading tag. So here I'm using h1. Similarly I'll be using till h6 to see what the variation is, and then save the whole program and open it in the Microsoft Edge. So here we can see the variation in size. H1 is larger than the H6. So that is the heading tag is all about. And now we'll see what's the use of the break tag. So here I'm writing hypertext markup language in the paragraph tag, and I'm using the break tag here and again giving another paragraph to see the difference between the spaces between those two paragraphs. So when we see it in the output, you can see there is space. So again when I remove the break tag, you can see that the space is now reduced than before. So that is the use of the break tag here. So here I want my paragraph to be in red color, so I'm specifying the style color as red and save the program, and you can see that the color is in red now. So here we can also observe that I have only specified my color red to only the paragraph tag, and the below paragraph tag is still same. So we can say that the attribute is only specified or applicable to the particular tag we have given. Lastly, we'll see how the anchor tag is used. So here in the anchor tag, we need href, which is reference to the required destination link. So here I want Google. So I have copied the link of Google and given it in the place of href. And after closing the anchor tag, I have given the text as Google. So we'll see what this actually does in the output. So here you can see the Google, and when you click on the Google, it takes us to the link which we have provided. So this is what an anchor tag does. It redirects us to another page.